Here I'm going to show more examples of probability. So let's look at this example. We roll a 6-sided die, find probability of A, probability of B, probability of C, where A, B, and C are events defined as follows. So event A is an odd number shows up, event B is a prime number shows up, and event C is a number greater than 4 shows up. So we know this is our sample space. And event A contains 1, 3, and 5 because an event A is possibilities that an odd number shows up. So we have a formula for probability of A, which is size of A over size of sample space. So our size of A is 3 and our size of sample space is 6. So that's how we get 3 over 6. 3 over 6 is also equal to 1 over 2. Now let's find probability of B. So we know an event B contains 2, 3, 5 because an event B is a prime number shows up. So we have a formula, probability of B equals to size of B over size of sample size. So our size of B is 3 and our size of sample size is 6. So 3 over 6 is also equal to 1 over 2. So now let's find probability of C. So an event C contains 5 and 6 because an event C is possibilities a number greater than 4 shows up. So we have a formula for probability of C equals size of C over size of sample space. So we know the size of C is 2 and our size of sample space is 6. So 2 over 6 is also equal to 1 over 3. Let's look at more examples. Here we are tossing 3 coins. Suppose we toss 3 coins or toss a coin thrice. Here we have to find probability of A, probability of B, and probability of C, where A, B, and C are events defined as follows. Event A is 3 heads show up. Event B is 2 heads and a tail shows up. And event C is 2 tails and a head show up. So our sample space here is this. Head, 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 tail, head, and so on. So please see our other video for finding sample space using a tree diagram. So our event A is head, head, head because an event A is possibility that 3 heads show up. So our formula for probability of A is size of A over size of sample space. So our size of A is 1 and our size of sample space is 8. So we get that 8 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So probability of getting A is 1 over 8. So our event B contains head, head, tail, head, and tail, head, head. Because an event B is possibilities that 2 heads and a tail shows up. So we have a formula of probability of B, which is size of B over size of sample space. So our size of B is 3 and our size of sample space is 8. That's why our probability of B is 3 over 8. An event C contains head, tail, 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 head, tail, and tail, tail, head. Because an event C is possibilities that 2 tails and a head show up. And we have a formula of probability of C, which is size of C over sample size. So our size of C is 3 and our sample size is 8. That's why our probability of C is 3 over 8. Thank Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel. We will be bringing more and more videos on variety of topics.